The United States is in mourning as one of its regions, Pacific Palisades in Los Angeles, California, experienced a massive wildfire driven by the Santa Ana winds. A terrifying moment was captured on camera when a fire tornado emerged amid the chaos of the intensifying blaze once again on Friday, January 10th, 2024. The fire vortex or fire devil, which is a rare phenomenon, appeared in the Pacific Palisades area alongside a deadly forest fire. The wildfire has consumed nearly 24,000 hectares of land as of Saturday night. At least 5,000 buildings were destroyed by the Eaton and Palisades fires, making it one of the worst in California's history. Approximately 153,000 residents are under mandatory evacuation orders. The death toll has reached 16, according to the Los Angeles Medical Examiner, and the number is expected to rise as house-to-house searches continue.